Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a table in Google Sheets. So first we're going to go to the formula section, then we're going to write add table. So as you can see there's the component which is tables. So as you can see there are different tables. You guys can select any one of those. They have different tables for different ideas, projects, but I personally chose blank table. So you guys could rename the table. I set it as project data. Then for column 1, you guys are going to click on the arrow, the drop down arrow, then click on edit column type. Then you guys can make it a drop down list, a drop down column. So you guys are going to rename it. Then click on done. So this column is used as a drop down. Then next you guys are going to click on the arrow again, edit column type. Then you guys could use it as a checkbox. Then moving on to the next column. Again, we're going to click on edit column type. Then you guys can use it as a number. So you guys are going to insert a number. Then for the next column, you guys could use it as a different one. You guys could use it as a date. So you guys could insert a date here. So for the next one, you guys could click on edit column type. Then under smart chips, you guys could use it as a file, for example. Then you guys could rename every column depending on the uses, depending on what features they have. So you guys could use them for specific reasons. So this is how you create a table. It's a very simple step. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.